If you're hunting for the fastest storage your PC can handle, PCIe 5 SSDs are where the action's at. Today, I'm ranking 5 of the best options on the market, from budget-friendly picks to full-on performance beasts. Kicking things off at the bottom of our list is the Inland TD510. It was one of the early birds in the PCIe 5 space, and while it brought impressive speeds for its time, it's now showing its age compared to newer, more efficient models. On paper, it's got solid numbers, 10 GB per second read and 9.5 write, plus a healthy endurance rating and a generous 6-year warranty. That's more than enough for most everyday tasks, and it still handles big file transfers with ease. The trade-offs? It's power hungry, runs hotter than you'd like, and comes with a small noisy fan that doesn't do much to help. Plus, it skips out on some of the software and security extras you might find on other drives in this list. If you're after a no-frills Gen 5 drive at a lower cost and don't mind adding your own cooling, it's still worth a look. And by the way, I've linked all these SSDs at the best prices I could find in the description below. Next up is the crucial P510, a newer entry that punches above its weight for the price. It's got a DRAM-less design, which might sound like a downgrade, but it keeps the power usage and heat down to levels you just don't see in other Gen 5 drives. This one will hit 11 GB per second reads while staying relatively cool, even without a heatsink, and it's slim enough for compact builds. At around or under the $100 mark, it's one of the cheapest ways to get into Gen 5 storage without compromising too much. Of course, DRAM-less means it can lag behind in heavy multitasking or random workloads compared to pricier devices. And while it's great for gamers, content creators with demanding projects might want something faster. If you want a cool running, budget-friendly SSD that still gives you a taste of Gen 5 speeds, the P510 is a fantastic deal. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. In third place, we've got the GIGABYTE Aorus Gen 5 14000. The name alone tells you what it's aiming for, blistering sequential speeds. And it delivers, hitting 13.6 read and just over 10 write. That 2GB DRAM cache helps keep things snappy, and it's backed by a solid 5-year warranty. For gamers or workstation users moving large media files, it's a great performer that will make your loading bars disappear faster than you can blink. The catch? It's not shy about its appetite for power, pulling over 11 watts under load, which means you'll need serious cooling to prevent throttling. And with endurance at 700 TBW, it's not built for the most write-intensive workloads. If your priority is raw sequential performance and you've got the cooling setup to handle it, the Aorus Gen 5 14000 is a strong contender. Coming in second is the Kingston Fury Renegade G5, and this one's all about balance. It's nearly as fast as our top pick, with 14.2 read and 11 write, but it does with a lean 6.6 watt power draw that helps keep heat under control. It also packs in excellent random performance, making it a strong all-rounder whether you're gaming, editing, or just want lightning-fast boot times. And with a 1000 TBW endurance rating, it's got the durability to back up that speed. Downsides? It skips hardware encryption and there's no heatsink in the box, so you'll want to factor that into your build. But for many, those are minor trade-offs for the performance and efficiency it delivers. If you want a Gen 5 drive that does it all without running hot or guzzling power, the Fury Renegade G5 is a near-perfect choice. And at the very top, the WD Black SN8100. This is the no-compromise Gen 5 drive. It's the fastest here, with almost 15 GB per second read and 14 write, and it does it while staying remarkably power efficient. That custom controller, paired with high-end Kioxia NAND and DDR4 DRAM, makes it a beast for both sequential and random workloads. Plus, it's single-sided, which means it can even fit into laptops without issue. Yes, it's pricey, and like most of these high-end drives, it benefits from a good heatsink. But if you want the absolute best blend of speed, endurance, and efficiency, this is the one to beat. For those chasing top-tier performance in every metric, the SN8100 is the ultimate Gen 5 SSD right now. Check the links in the description to see the top-rated drives at the best prices right now. And remember, if you enjoy this ranking, drop a like, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and I'll see you in the next one.